Yeah. I like that. I am the Chief Commercial Officer of Mondi South Africa. I've been with Mondi now for just over 20 years, working in multidisciplines across different countries. And currently my job has a leadership span of marketing, sales, supply chain within Mondi South Africa. The most exciting part of my job is figuring out every day how I could enable something different within other people. And for them to see the light from themselves. This I really enjoy, and I get fulfillment out of that. A usual day, well, what gets me out of bed, I guess. A usual day for me is I think enjoying the people that I work with. Getting up, bringing the kids to school, going to work, and what's really interesting is that every day there's something new waiting. And the reason for that is within the discipline we have different products that we sell, being pulp, containerboard and uncoated fine paper. And each one of those products and streams brings different challenges, which I thrive because they help me to grow, they help my team to grow, and we look forward to that every day. A few challenges over the last few years, which is good. I think being fortunate within Mondi to travel from South Africa to work in the UK, work in Vienna for over 12 years. When I left South Africa, I left a single man, ready to take on the world and ready to do whatever I could. And now, having returned to South Africa in 2014 with an Austrian wife and Austrian kids, the challenge there was settling down. It was quite tricky because having come from living in Vienna now to Durban, I think the greatest part is the support of the family and within Mondi the support that we got.